Hello, beautiful. Now let's put part one and part two together. Very fun, little combo, a lot of fire, like I mentioned. And so part one and part two, it's going to be in the description if you're watching on YouTube. Membership, it's in your monthly playlist. So now we're going to go into the, well, let me just go through it first, and then we're going to go with the music right away. Part one was we did triple step, very bouncy, going back with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go hip sway. 1, 2, 3, 4. Into a shimmy. Shimmy 3 counts, and then heel jump on 4. Part two, you're going to go forward, step with your right foot with the little hip or little bounce of the ball of your feet. And we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And shoulder shimmy. 4 counts going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then shimmy 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start going back. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, so we got part one, part two together. We'll do it with music, and we'll do it about 6 times. 3, 4. Okay, that was the last one. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. This is part of a nice song from Jose MC, and I'm probably going to finish. It's a 5-minute song, but this was perfect for this kind of element that I want to teach you about the fiery and energetic and bouncy kind of combo. But you never know, maybe I'll finish it and do a whole choreography. You let me know if you want to. If not, that's fine. And I just want to say have a wonderful time learning this, and I love you and happy dancing.